medical attention.
Now, anyone who is not a certified human resource manager will not be allowed to practice, and the government will crack down on them once the new bill is passed in Parliament. Speaking during an invigilation exercise in Eldoret, Margaret Rogo, the CEO of the Human Resource Management Professional Examination Board, stated that many institutions are being run down due to a lack of professionalism. She put on notice companies whose CEOs have not gone through the board's certification exams.
Organizations that do not have professionals working in the human resource department, it is coming to an end because there is a bill in Parliament right now where anyone who is not certified cannot practice human resource management. And therefore take this opportunity because HRMPEP, in collaboration with IHRM, that is the Institute of Human Resource Management, which is the industry regulator, I don't want to use the word "we are coming for you," but it is better if you get certified, then after certification, you register with IHRM, our regulator, so that you're safe.
Right, we are taking another breather, but when we come back,